Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ames, and I am a web designer and digital product strategist. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell gift cards on your Squarespace website. So it's very simple, and you may not even know that Squarespace offers this option. So you can set up a product first in Squarespace, or you can do it while you're on the page that you want to sell the gift cards. So you're going to navigate to your site. This can be for digital products or it can be for physical products. So what you're going to do is just add a section to your website. I'm just going to add a blank section here. And this is where we're going to put our gift card, where we're going to sell it. So what I'm going to do is, let's just say we want it this way. Okay, you can add a block here. And if you scroll down to product, that is where the gift card is going to be. You're then going to edit it, and you can then create new product here. And this is going to take you to the product page. See all the options for whatever you want to sell. You're going to choose gift card. And this is where you can put some kind of product name, whether it's a gift card for digital products or a physical product, whatever it is, or just a gift card for your business. And then you can put a description, some button text, and any additional info about your gift card. You can also add some images if you would like. Then, as you can see, it already fills in some inventory and some amounts. So 25, 50, 75, or 100. You can add more. You can delete these if you don't want that many. If you just want one amount, you can just create new options here. And then you can add categories or tags just to stay organized if you'd like to. And then you can make this a featured product. You can also showcase similar products. It'll say related products as they're buying the gift card. So if you have other products or courses or digital products or whatever you want them to consider buying, you can actually put that here and put that under related products. Under social share, this is where if you were to share your link, you can add and edit an image so that when you're sharing on Facebook or wherever a gift card link, it'll have a nice image. So that's where you'll do that for this gift card product. So set that up however you want, and then you're going to click save. And as you see, this will then create this little section here and on your website, and you can start to click what you want to show on your website. So you can have the button. This is where they'll select the value. You can have an image. I obviously didn't add an image for this demonstration, so it's not showing up, but you can have an image, title, etc., price. And so all of that will be here, and you can also make this as big or as small as you'd like. You can then add some text here, and maybe we put some header text here, and obviously you'll say something cooler than this. This is where they will select the value. And then obviously you'll want to edit it on mobile to up here to make sure it looks good on mobile as well. But once you hit save, that is where they can then, I'll show you what it looks like on the site. This is where they can then buy a gift card, and it looks really professional and easy. And then they can just add it to cart, and then it goes to their cart and they can check out. If this video was helpful, please comment below, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more tech tips like this for Squarespace and digital products. And then also please leave a comment if you have any further questions about how to do this on your website or if you get stuck. Thank you so much for following, and I will see you in the next video.